Hello everybody, 11:29, 7 seconds, Tuesday, February 26th. This is mini number 1 for Spider-Man 129. Over here are the 16 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will win the first 6 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will win the next 2. The spots are filled in order of availability, meaning you guys don't choose. Cody, I saw you didn't pay yet. I trust your brother. I just want to get this moving along. So I voucher you. I apologize for the pop-up over there. The number is 15. Let me just wait for this thing to close out. And I will start running it. So here we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here comes the final one. 15, Chris Blancato comes in first. Hector Jasso comes in second. Time is 11:30 and 12